Welcome everybody, Jaye Wellness here with ya. Thank you for joining for another health tips and fun facts. And I think this one is going to definitely pull the wool over your eyes. These imposters, I tell ya, imposter foods. I tell ya, this one got me very confused. Check it out. And the first runner-up on our imposter food list is the blackberry. The blackberry is extremely rich in bioflavonoids and vitamin C. The dark blue color of the blackberry ensures that it's one of the highest antioxidant levels of all fruits. But I must break the news to you, my wellness kids and parents, that the blackberry is not a berry. It is considered an aggregate fruit, which is derived from a single flower. Well, everybody, I think we located our berry. Actually, we have not. The raspberry is also not a berry. It is in the same family as the strawberry and the blackberry. They are all considered aggregate fruits, and they are fruits that develop from multiple ovaries of a single flower. Yep, this is not the berry we were looking for. Dun 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 dun! You got it, folks. Our watermelon is our berry. So why don't we call it waterberry? I guess because it doesn't sound as good as watermelon. But you got it, folks. This is the berry, and it has to have 2 or more seeds to be considered a berry. Well, another type of fruit that's also in this category are your tomatoes, your peppers, your cranberries, eggplants, and kiwis. We found them, folks. We found them. Alrighty, my amazing kids and parents, that concludes our wellness, health tips, and fun facts for today. And just like imposter foods, we're definitely unique in the inside and unique on the outside as well. And we're not exactly what we all seem to be. So if you enjoyed the imposter foods, I ask you to like and subscribe to our channel so you can get all the latest Jaye Wellness videos sent straight to your mobile phone. And like I mentioned before, our Jaye Wellness brand has gotten a little bit bigger, so we do have a website now. It's jayewellness.com. And before I leave you here, I always want you to remember this one important message. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.